Starlink is designed for rural areas where normal internet cannot be achieved. It is designed by Elon Musk of SpaceX and Tesla. You can put this in the middle of the desert on a car battery and it will work. It will give you fast up and down speeds and low latency. We can install this on any building. We cover the whole of the Northwest. If you need information on Starlink, you can buy this from Costco, you can buy it from Starlink, you can buy it from Currys. We install it on every type of building you could imagine. Every customer we have done this for cannot believe the speed that they get. They can then do Zoom meetings. If they've got kids, they can do games, Xboxes, you name it. We can install this on static caravans anywhere in the Northwest. So if you've got issues with very slow internet, Starlink is the one for you. I can guarantee, as long as you have got clear airspace above the dish, you will get the fastest internet you have ever had. If you need installation, check us out at www.starnetlink.co.uk. If you want any questions, we can answer them for you. Thanks for listening. My name's Bob, Starlink Installer.